Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Yobenki gloves. Oh, for warm winter. These are waterproof gloves. They're for touchscreen compatible gloves, anti-slip for running gloves for men, women, and so on. Cycling, hiking, climbing for the entire outdoor activities. These are warm cycling gloves made from robust, breathable, not breakable, breathable, water-repellent nylon material. Super durable, washable, and quick drying. Easy to clean. It offers us high wearing comfort with an elastic calf gloves to protect against cold air. These gloves keeps our hands so warm. And these gloves with non-slip design and wear-resistant silicone granules coated on the palm to increase the friction and wear resistance, prevent slipping of objects. We grip the steering wheel while driving. Awesome. Suitable for all cycling activities and of course for running and fashion too. And the clue is touchscreen. Nearly all of us are using tablets or either a smartphone as well. And this device here, these gloves, you can perform this while you are wearing these gloves. That's awesome, I think. The thumb and the index fingers are coated with touch-sensitive materials. They wear gloves to control the entire touchscreen electronics and simple touchscreen operation. It's really simple and it works. Use your fingers with that function, the index and the thumb, to control your smartphone. It's cold outside. You do not have to remove the gloves from your hand. No problem. You can use your smartphone while you're wearing these gloves here. This is a really awesome thing. Really. And they're waterproof and windproof. These winter gloves are made from high-quality waterproof TPU cloth. This cycling gloves for men and women in the winter helps us to work even in snow and light rain or in extreme environments and keep our hands warm and dry. And the winter gloves can be used for hiking, cycling, driving, motorcycling, outdoor sports. That's awesome because they feel good on our skin. And of course, there is a warm fleece lining. The warm fleece lining is warm and breathable, but holds away moisture and keeps our warm all the winter time. And I think the best thing after the warm and good design as well is the touchscreen. The unique touchscreen function. We can use the gloves on all our touchscreen devices. And it's easy because the most of us are using these two fingers to control the smartphone or the smartwatch or the tablet too. While we're wearing this Yobenki gloves. These are for warm winter time out there in outdoor activities, and they feels really good on my screen and on your skin too. And they're available in different sizes like S, M, L, and XL. And I need XL, as you can see, because I have big fingers, and they keeps me hold warm and fresh all winter day long. These are the Yobenki awesome warm winter gloves, anti-slip, and it's possible to control our smartphones with them. For all outdoor activities, thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.